What if I told you that even slightly high blood sugar can damage eggs, slow sperms, and prevent implantation, often without obvious symptoms? Hi, I'm Dr. Suvarshila, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers, and today we're talking about diabetes and infertility, a connection many couples discover too late. If you're trying to conceive, this is one of the conversations you must hear. How does it affect fertility at all? Diabetes is not just a sugar problem, it's a hormonal and inflammatory disorder that affects every reproductive organ. Let's start with women. High blood glucose leads to insulin resistance, hormonal imbalance, irregular ovulation, and poor egg quality. Not only this, it causes thin or inflamed endometrium, leading to higher miscarriage risk. It worsens conditions like PCOS and increases oxidative stress inside eggs, aging them faster. In IVF, uncontrolled diabetes is associated with fewer good quality embryos, lower implantation rates, higher pregnancy complications too. In men, high sugar damages blood vessels and nerves, leading to erectile dysfunction and reduced ejaculation. At the cellular level, it causes lower testosterone, reduced sperm count, poor sperm motility, increased DNA fragmentation also. So even when sperm numbers look normal, fertilization may fail because DNA is damaged. There may be some warning signs that you may be at risk. Many fertility patients have pre-diabetes without knowing it. These clues include abdominal weight gain, constant fatigue, sugar cravings, frequent urination, dark neck pigmentation, and irregular periods. A simple fasting sugar, HbA1c, and insulin test can reveal hidden problems. So, what are the best foods to improve fertility in diabetic patients? Well, we know that food is your most powerful medicines. So, here's what is recommended. Non-starchy vegetables like spinach, broccoli, beans, healthy fats like avocado, nuts, seeds, olive oil, etc. High quality proteins such as eggs, fish, chicken, paneer should be included, and low glycemic index carbohydrates like lentils, chickpeas, whole grains should be included. Low sugar fruits which are recommended are berries, guava, apple. Avoid refined sugar, white rice, bread, pastries, sugary drinks. Late night snacking is also extremely detrimental. Eat smaller meals every 3 to 4 hours to stabilize insulin, and definitely walk for 15 minutes after meals because it dramatically reduces glucose spikes. Can you take supplements? Well, when prescribed appropriately, these supplements can help. Vitamin D can improve insulin sensitivity, myo-inositol supports ovulation and PCOS, omega-3 reduces inflammation, magnesium can improve glucose control, antioxidants protect eggs and sperm. So these supplements are good, but supplements only support. Lifestyle does the heavy lifting. Never replace medical treatment with supplements alone. Remember, high sugar damages eggs, high sugar weakens sperm, high sugar blocks implantation. But there is good news. Even 5 to 10% of weight loss and good sugar control can dramatically improve fertility. If pregnancy is your goal, don't ignore glucose. Control diabetes and you can reclaim your fertility. Follow for more fertility based videos. Subscribe to our channel to change and take charge of your reproductive health today. Thank you.